panoramic roof, full panoramic roof. Yeah, ping the boot open. All 4 tyres are Michelin Energies. Okay. Right, I'll show you the under the bonnet. It's got a brand new battery, which was put in April this year. You found it?
Yeah. I'll take the camera view.
Oh, damn.
I'll start the engine.
Right. Under this cover is a brand new battery. Got it April, I believe, or May. And it's had a recent oil and filter change from Quick Fix. That was about 2 months ago. The engine is quiet. Right, put the copper down. Yeah, I'll show you the battery. I know that. Right. Now I'm going to take you inside the vehicle. Here's the interior, as you can see. There you go. Look at that suede. Clean. Now, floor carpets. That's the floor carpet, which is removable because you've got the studs, right? It's the Roland Garros ones. Now this, under there, if I get it, is the original carpet. Look at the state of that. Absolutely spotless. Look at the footwell. Right. There's the driver's seat. Now then, next one, I'll show you the rear. Right. Now then, it's all leather and suede pockets. Look, never used. Then you've got the Roland Garros carpet here as well. Look at that carpet under there. For a 2002 vehicle, you don't expect that. Now then, back seats, all got headrests.
There's no creases.
No creases, look at that. Look, I'll show you the seats, the back seats. There they are, look.
Very rarely have passengers.
Where's that? Look at that, hardly used. And then you got the other side of the passenger. Spotless. Now, I'm going to show you the other side, the passenger side, and then we'll show you the electrics. Spotless again. There's your passenger side. Look at that. Glove compartment, spotless. There you go, your lights working. You got a few bits and pieces here. 2 cup holders, credit cards, or whatever you want to bung in there. Right, under the floor mat again, Roland Garros floor mat. Look at that. Spotless. Absolutely spotless. Right. Passenger seat has barely been used, but I'll show you anyway. Look at that. There you go. Right, now we're going to show you the electrics. Electric windows. Right, we're inside. We're going to do this. There you go. Watch the window go down. Listen how quiet it is. There you go. Now you've got the driver's side. See that? That's me stopping it. And go down again. See? That was me stopping it. Right. Now you've got the gear knob. Look at that. Hardly anything wrong with it. Anyway, here's your... Right, this is how much petrol you got in there. You got 78 miles worth of petrol. It tells you all sorts of things on this dial, and if you press the knob there, it tells you other stuff, how much mileage you have done and what you get miles per gallon and what have you, the time and stuff, right, and date. Now then, that's your hazards.
This is an emergency lock.
That's the
in case
emergency
someone
lock.
Tries to get in.
Right. Now, my daughter is going to talk you through the rest of the vehicle.
Okay, we have the air conditioning here. It goes down to 15 degrees and up to pretty, yeah, 28. But it's always good to have it cold. You can increase and you can have it all in different directions there. You turn it off and you can have eco, which doesn't cost any gas or anything like that. We've got the radio here. I think I've taken my CD out. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
The CD. Put that in.
It shows up on the panel here. There we go.
And over
There we
here,
go.
on the gear knob,
Pull down.
and on the gear knob over here, we have CD thingy changer. You can skip the tracks, and you can go back. And behind, where you can't see, you've got volume switches. Turn it down, and you press the N button here to switch to radio.
The United States has come into force in the past hour.
With so many people now.
And then you can also turn it off. We also have a CD changer in the back. You can put up to 6 CDs in it, but I do not know how to use it, so I can't demonstrate this. I'm not sure whether there's a technical fault or...
Comes up with an error code.
Yes, it just shows that it's trying to load the CDs. I have no idea what's going on with that. And if we look up here to the panoramic roof,
Oh, yes.
which is very beautiful, this is ideal
Look at
for
that.
children.
Look at that.
You can see the birds and the clouds outside and the aeroplanes and the rain.
It's the full length of the car.
Yep. And over here we have a switch. This is closed and this is open, and I'm going to demonstrate how smoothly it closes. The yeah, that's pretty nice.
And that itself is clean as well.
Let me see where I haven't demonstrated. We also have moving mirrors. Down
Hang on,
here
which
is the nozzle.
Uh-oh.
This closes them inwards. These you can adjust them without actually touching the mirrors, which I will show you now. We close. Yeah, both of them close at the same time. And I will show you that you can adjust the mirror without touching anything. And this is very convenient when you're trying to park into a very tight space. You can see the curb, and it's just fuss free. This is one of the things I like about this car. We have leather steering wheel here. There's no wear on it whatsoever. You expect to see some kind of wear and tear on these, but there's nothing. The entire interior is almost as new, like the car has come out the garage.
There's your mileage. 079,274 for a 14-year-old car. Is it 14? Yeah.
I think it's 11, isn't it?
It's 2002. Yes, 14-year-old car.
Oh gosh.
That's
Okay.
not bad.
Yeah. So we got this nice little pocket down here to put keys in, I suppose. And over here at the back, we also have buttons for the electric windows and a drink storage area.
Yes, electric windows at the back as well as the front.
There's a button here near the handbrake. That's an immobiliser panic button, so I wouldn't touch that. We also have 2 airbags at the front. They can be switched on or off with the key here. Yep, so if you have an accident, it's not going to cost you too much money if you turn it off. And this button here stops people in the back from opening and closing the windows. And I think that's that as far as
Now we're going to the boot. Boot, lift up the boot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's over here, isn't it? Right, we found out the boot's over here. Under there.
Right, that's the bonnet.
Oh, is that the bonnet? Oh,
There
okay.
is no-
Sorry.
There is no.
There's no boot button. There's no boot button.
There you go.
Oops.
Yep.
Yeah. There you go, look at that.
Look at that. We've got a nice sizable boot here. It can fit a buggy or
Fit just about
Stuff.
anything. Right, you've got original Peugeot floor protector in the boot. Lift that up. Look at that carpet.
absolutely immaculate.
Look at that carpet. It's never seen the light of day. Right.
And I'll show you the CD changer. You've got the eject button there, and you got the 6 CD changer. I've never actually used it. I tried using it once, but I couldn't work it out. Oh.
You've got your boot light as well.
Now I will demonstrate that
Lights.
all the lights are working.
MOT with this vehicle runs out on the 13th of March 2017. Right, now we're going to show you the wipers at the back, the lights at the back to show you they're all working. Right, here's your rear wiper and the squirty. I do. It's all over the paper hiding your number plate. Right, there's your hazards. Brakes. Reverse. Right now. Listen to that engine. It's really quiet. I'm going to put the boot down because I opened it. Can't put the boot down one end. Right, there's your hazards. Your number plate's been shown, you'll have to edit it out. Right, there you go. Here's your lights. There you go.
Right. Oh dear.
That's alright, just leave it. There's your car. There's the car, sorted. Thank you for watching.